Good morning, everybody, and welcome to episode number 1 of what is now my new weekly vlog. Hopefully I'll be able to keep this up. I don't know for how long, but after I do a little bit of work, what do you say we start off this episode right by heading to one of my favorite places on earth? Let's go.
Nothing really matters if you're not mine right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away, leave the pain out.
All right, I think that'll work. The rug is supporting it right now.
Let me hold you,
there we
close
go.
your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on all love that making me feel alright.
All right, and just like that, everything is packed up and ready to go to school. Now, normally I'd say that I didn't film this because I do this every year. I have all of these videos I've uploaded where I'm packing up the U-Haul and either moving from school or going to school. But to be honest, this year I just forgot to film it. So, what do you say we just get a move on, head over to school in Pittsburgh, and get the apartment all set up. Let's go. Alrighty, and just like that, the entire room is done and built. This process took forever. This was a really long process. I didn't really film a lot of it just because I knew how boring all these time lapses were. But now that everything's done, I haven't seen my friends in a while, so what do you say we go hang out with them and then continue on with the rest of the day?
Like a feather, you mend my heart right here, right here.
Hello, friends. Hello. This was really a genius day for a picnic. It's absolutely pouring and we are picnicking under this overhang at CCS Hall. Steph, what do you think of this concrete picnic?
Honestly, I would not expect anything less from us.
This is a very Block Buddies picnic.
Block Buddies in one event, this would be it.
Alrighty, we just got back from the picnic. Unfortunately, it was kind of rained out, which is so weird because right now it's beautiful outside. We had good weather at like the very end of the picnic and then it was pouring at the beginning. But either way, it was fun. It was so nice to see everybody after, I don't know, 5 months in quarantine. So right now I actually have to film a review video of this phone. This is the OnePlus Nord that I'm filming on right here. So I'm gonna set up all my camera gear. We're actually gonna set up and film this review and I'll bring you guys along with it. Yeah.
I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on all love that making me feel alright.
Which has mainly been content creation and social media consumption, has worked flawlessly.
Let's go!
Wait, how'd you get back there? Alright, that's going in the video. Alright, back to it. Alright, video is wrapped, all done filming this OnePlus Nord review. Now I'm kind of hungry, so why don't we eat some dinner? Is it dinner time? I'm hungry actually, I'm about to explode.
Be alright, yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, yeah, we know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on all love that makes me feel alright.
Anyway, that concludes episode number 1 of my new weekly vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. And if you want to catch more episodes in the future, especially episode number 2, which you won't want to miss, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll have a new video coming out every single week. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out.